about the most revolutionary inventions in human history. The internet, the wheel, the steam engine. But what if the true architect of modern society, the one invention that silently liberated billions of hours of human potential, is sitting quietly in your laundry room right now? Before this machine existed, doing laundry wasn't just a chore. It was an exhausting, day-long physical assault. It took dynamic muscle power, boiling water, and skin-stripping lye soap just to clean a single shirt. In fact, historians argue that escaping the brutal weekly ritual of hand-washing did more to liberate modern workers than almost any other domestic technology. So, how did we get from breaking our backs by the riverbank to simply pressing a button? It all started in 1851 with a man named James King and a simple wooden drum. For centuries, washing clothes meant replication of the same basic mechanism: friction. You rubbed cloth against wood, stone, or corrugated washboards to force dirt out. But in 1851, an American inventor named James King patent filed a device that shifted the paradigm. He didn't automate the energy source, but he completely revolutionized the mechanics of cleaning. King introduced the world to the cylinder washing machine. His invention featured a wooden drum. The magic ingredient? A manual hand crank. Instead of rubbing clothes against a surface, King's machine used rotation. It was still a workout, but it shifted the mechanical stress from the fabric and the human spine to a contained, rotating system. This single concept became the foundational DNA for every washing machine today. King's manual drum opened the floodgates of innovation. In 1858, Hamilton Smith patented the rotary washing machine, and by 1874, William Blackstone built a convenient version, launching the commercial home laundry industry. These machines introduced agitation, pegs or paddles inside the drum that vigorously moved the clothes through the soapy water rather than just tumbling them. But the real quantum leap happened when humanity learned to tame electricity. Around 1908, the Hurley Machine Company introduced the Thor, widely credited as the first electric-powered washing machine. Suddenly, the brutal physical labor of turning the crank was replaced by an electric motor. From an educational standpoint, the evolution of the washing machine isn't just a story about gears and motors. It is a profound socio-economic milestone. This newfound time allowed women greater entry into the workforce, enabled higher academic pursuits, and completely reshaped the structure of the modern economy. It is a prime example of how a simple mechanical pivot, turning a drum instead of rubbing a washboard, can spark a global societal evolution. Next time you toss your clothes into the wash and walk away, remember James King's wooden hand-cranked drum from 1851.